guys, welcome to today's video. If you're new to this channel, which you probably are, my name is Thalia, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to style short hair. Picture this: you go to the salon, you ask for a haircut, maybe you're trying to get some dead ends cut off, maybe you're going for a trim and they cut off too much or more than you expected, and you're like, how the heck do I style my hair now? What can I do with it? Well, I'm here to show you guys how you can do some cute waves and make it look really nice, and it doesn't take that long at all. So if you want to see that, keep watching. It's been a long time since I've recorded my last video, but I'm happy to be back. I took a break from YouTube because I was figuring out some things in my personal life, and I'm happy to say that I went back to school last year. I'm taking prerequisites for a program that I'm applying to, which I should be hearing back from in April, which is a month from now. So wish me luck, and hopefully I get in. I don't want to say what the path is right now or what program I apply to just yet because I don't want to jinx it. But as soon as I know, I'm going to let you guys know and film a life updates video. And I'm going to talk about some other changes that I made during the year, such as I moved and some sad things that happened too. So definitely stick around because I can't wait to fill you guys in on everything that's happened and catch you guys up on all that's been going on in my life. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is obviously start by brushing out your hair, which I already did. It doesn't look like it because it's super messy and frizzy, but I promise it's going to look cute in a little bit. So what you're going to do is take some hair clips like this. These are from Dry Bar, and basically just section off your hair wherever it's layered. So you're just going to want to take the first section of hair on the bottom, and then just clip away the rest of your hair. Then I always like to take a heat protector. This is the heat protector that I use. Nothing fancy. I think I got this at Sally's Beauty Supply. And I'm just going to spray it on the bottom layer of my hair. By the way, I'm really sorry about my camera focusing in the background. I know it's super annoying. I was looking for my voice recorder that I have separately so that it doesn't pick up the feedback on the camera, and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I'm really sorry about that, but I promise that I'll find it for the next video so it won't be annoying next time. Anyway, so now you're just going to straighten the bottom layer and just get it as straight as you can. I know that seems kind of counterintuitive because you're thinking like, I thought I was gonna curl my hair, and you are, but you're just gonna curl like everything else except this section because this will keep the bottom flatter so that your hair doesn't poof like crazy. You're gonna section off your hair again and let down the next layer. Now that you have your next layer, don't forget to put in your heat protector spray. You'll want to start bending your hair into a flat iron like this. So I'll show you guys again because that was a little fast. But basically, you're going to take a flat iron and you want to go in alternating sections. So the first section, you're gonna go and flip your either your wand or your flat iron like this with your wrist forward. Then you're gonna do the next section with your wrist back like that. So we're gonna go forward, and you want to just like put it forward like that, then let it go when you have 1 inch hanging out at the end. Don't go all the way down because then you're gonna get a super curly piece of hair, which is not what we're going for. We just want a slight bent wave to it. Here what I'm doing is I'm just taking a piece of hair, flipping my wrist outward, then going down, and then leaving a little piece out at the end. You can wrap it around your finger to curl it a little, and then you let it go. And it's just a slight wave. Nothing crazy. You don't want a super tight curl. So since we went this way, we're gonna go the other way and go under. So take your iron and go under like this. Leave out that 1-inch section. Now let go. Okay. I've just let down my next layer of hair, and I'm going to repeat the process again, just spraying it with the heat protector spray so my hair doesn't get super damaged from the heat. And then repeating. So we're gonna go with the iron, hold out a section of hair, with the iron turn it outward, go down slowly, let go at when you have 1 inch hanging out. That. And repeat on the next section, flipping it the other way. See? You just have like a bend like that. Okay guys, so when you get to the end and you're almost done, you're going to want to part your hair and separate your bangs out. So my bangs fall this way. I'm just sectioning them off. And just do the same thing again. Oh, and don't forget your heat protector spray. I keep forgetting to do that. This is by no means the most professional way to do this or anything. I'm not a hairdresser, and I'm way better at doing my makeup than my hair, but this is how I feel like someone can do their hair in a practical way, in an everyday way that isn't rushed, and it doesn't have to be super professional or anything like that. It's okay for it to look a little messy, that's the point. So that's what I'm doing. Also, another little tip that I have for you guys is when you're styling your bangs, try to make your flips all go in the direction that your hair is parted in. So I like for my hair to fall more on the right side of my face. So I'm going to make my waves on the bangs flip upward going this way, in this direction. I'm not going to do it in alternating directions for the bangs. It looks weird. So I just like when they're all flipped in the same direction, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about right now. So basically just take your iron and flip it upward like that. You want to go all the way this time. And by that I mean don't leave any pieces out at the end. Take the hair and go completely through the iron with it, flipping under and up, like that. So now you're left with a nice swoop. now is the time where you can go back in and touch up any pieces that you want to curl a little bit more. So I'm just going to do that and pick up some random pieces that maybe didn't curl enough and just go fix them really quick. Now, if you have any random pieces of hair that just refuse to curl and they're really getting on your nerves, you just go through it with the iron over and over again and it won't seem to curl, you can always take a little bit of hairspray like this and shake it. Then just gently spray it a little bit. And for some reason it kind of, I don't know, it kind of activates the curling iron or wand or whatever you're using, or flat iron, and it makes it really curl this way. Okay guys, so when you get to the end of curling your hair, what you're going to want to do is you can take a sea salt spray like this one from Dry Bar. And first of all, this smells amazing. It's the Mai Tai spritzer. It smells really good, like you're on a vacation or something, so I just love how it makes your hair smell. And basically what you're going to want to do is just lightly spray this on the bottom or ends of your hair, anywhere that you really want to give it a little bit more texture. This is really good if your hair is fine. My hair is a little bit more coarse in some areas and thick, so I only like doing this like on the bottom layers right here because the pieces are finer hair textures. So you can also take a dry finishing hairspray like this. You'll take some on your hands, spray it like that, then rub it in a little bit. And you can just go over any sections that you feel are frizzy or that you want to smooth and flatten out a little bit. Keeps them from going all over the place. It keeps the bangs more uniform and together, so you get that nice swoop throughout the day that stays. But by spraying it on your hands this way, it prevents you from putting too much product in your hair by going like that. And it just gives you a softer look overall. So I really like using that tip at the end. And that's pretty much it. You can just zhuzh your hair to your liking, you know, just scrunch it. This is great for someone who's a beginner or just getting used to short hair and they want a quick hairstyle that they can do that gets them out of the door. I can't even talk. A quick hairstyle that gets them out of the door right away. So that's it for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!